Greetings and welcome back to my channel. I am in Rancho Cucamonga right now, and I'm going to give all of you a tour of this 1915 original Richfield gas station that's been beautifully restored. First off, we have a 64 Ford Falcon convertible sitting here, beautifully restored vehicle. Displays very well in front of this Richfield gas station. It'd be fun to take out on a cruise night.
I want to mention something that if you watch this entire video, at the very end, there's a sneak preview of what is coming next on my channel, and it is going to be a fun video to watch.
Like I mentioned earlier, this gas station was built in 1915. These are 1920s Wayne Model 615 gas pumps, original, sitting here. Too bad they're out of gas. This is a 1956 Ford Fairlane. Beautiful styling on these. Some original Richfield oil cans. Let's check out Gas Pump Rob's trailer. I've been out on the hunt for gas pumps. Let's do a walk around here. It's a Tokheim 850 clock face. I have the bonnet inside the truck for the top. I like these because they have such a large face. They are trying to raise money to build the original garage back. which was back here on this slab. Since it's a historical property, it has to be built to the specification of what it was originally, and I'll show you a picture of that. This station was in pretty bad condition when it was purchased, and they did a beautiful job restoring it. Good afternoon, Ed.
Good afternoon.
I am so glad you're here today because I've wanted to come over and visit this station for a couple of years now, and I just haven't had the opportunity to come over, and I'm thrilled to see how well it turned out.
We're glad you stopped.
Thank you.
Anyhow, I was going to tell you about the station that was built in 1915, so that makes it 108 years old now.
Okay.
And over time, we've lost that garage back there. And that's what we're raising funds for now. We're going to rebuild the garage. Since we're on the National Historical Registry, we have to make it look just like it was originally.
Okay.
And when we took it over in 2013, this is what it looked like.
Oh, okay. Wow. It needed a lot of restoration work.
Yeah. And you can see what the roof looked like.
Yes. That's quite a project to take on.
Oh, yes.
Really turned out nice. I like the original sign that you guys found. Where did you find that sign?
Up
Remember?
on 395.
395, okay.
Was it Kramer Junction?
Kramer Junction.
Kramer Junction.
Yep.
Yeah.
And this is what it's going to look like. Here we are, and this is the way the garage is going to come out.
It's nice that you carry souvenirs for anybody that stops by, wants to buy something, and in memory of visiting.
Actually, we go one step further because we figured, some people, they get near the end of the journey, if they start up there and, oh, we didn't get anything from that state or that state.
Oh, okay.
But our supplier gives us pins from all the different states that are along the route.
I traveled part of Route 66 this past summer, and
Here they are.
let me tell you, there is so much to see still out there.
Oh, yeah.
That's great. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Our pleasure. We enjoy sharing. In fact, the couple that was here just before you, or that you let out,
Yes?
they're from Brazil.
Wow.
And they heard about us.
Oh, that's great.
Since we're on the registry, we get a lot of attention that way. And, South America, Europe, Asia.
Mm-hmm.
So we get people in. Sometimes we have visitors come in where only one of the group can speak English. And then we have it's a little more,
Occasional problems.
a little more interesting.
Well, the popularity of Americana is going through the roof.
Yes.
There's people from all over the world that just admire stuff that we have from our past,
Yes.
and they remember.
No.
So,
Do you remember Route 66, that program with Martin Milner?
yes.
In Europe, they're watching that now.
Is that
And
right?
that's what is fueling their interest in Route 66 because it was so idyllic that they saw back then. And so they come over here to try to experience
And
it.
that's for 50 years in our past.
Yes.
Easy 50 years.
I remember watching that, and I always enjoyed those episodes.
Yes. Yes.
Them and their Corvette.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, thanks very much, guys.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And I'll send some more people this way.
Very good. Thank you.
Hey, every little bit helps.
Yes.
We're here to smile.
Because we're supported by our own people, no government contributions or anything. We're self-supported, 501c3.
It's great.
So
All right. Well, keep up the good work.
we need it. Thank
We
you.
will.
Thank
And,
you.
Make sure you drive safe out there.
I would.
Thank you for watching another one of my videos. Stay tuned to my channel because I have much more quality content coming your way soon. Take care.